Hello guys, welcome you back again to my channel. My name is Obi and this is Obi's World. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that is based in Bayelsa State, okay? It is the first time of coming across my channel. You are very, very welcome. And if I'm my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch me. This case is for you. So guys, I want to use the opportunity to appreciate every one of you that are watching me, okay? Yeah, that are watching me, yeah. By the grace of God, I'm 3 years on the street of white tea. Yes. And those 3 years, I must say, it has been so amazing. It has been so good. God has been faithful. I still remember the first day that I want to join YouTube, and I told my lovely husband. My husband said, no, I don't want to be on the social media platform. I don't want to be on the social media platform, guys. Although I felt bad that day, and I just like, okay, I went back, but later on I came back again because the passion is there. I've been seeing people, and I love watching people, and the passion came. So I told him the second time, and he agreed, and he prayed for me. He said I should kneel down. I knelt, and he prayed for me. He released the power to go and exploit. He released the power to go and make it out there, guys. I received that power, and I came out here and started posting videos. Yes, as a starter, as a new YouTuber. Yeah, the year 2021, I think so. So recently, YouTube just gave me history of everything. I've been here 3 years, guys. It has not really been easy, but God saw me through. I remember when I first started, I was like looking for subscribers, guys. We were not sleeping from morning to night. We were looking for subscribers morning to night. The first video I even posted, I was calling my friends and work with them, because we are watching videos. They'll be like, call your brothers and sisters. They are the people that should be telling them to subscribe. Funny enough, your brothers and sisters are not interested. You might even tell them, and they will say, send me recharge card. I don't get recharge card though. I want to subscribe. These are the things that we faced. A time came, I said, no, let me just leave these people. I have to start doing my own thing, guys. So God helped me. I met a lady, Peeps, AB Peeps. She's no longer a YouTuber right now because I've not been seeing her videos. So she helped me, and I was able to meet amazing people that we were posting videos. That thing that they say, sub, you sub me, I sub you. You understand? When you watch me, I watch you, guys. And that was where I started growing my page. Sometimes they watch me, be like, you did not do this one way, you did not do this one way. I was ready to learn, and even up till now, I'm still open to learn, guys. YouTube is something that you learn every day. If you are going as you are posting a video every day, guys, you are learning every day. Yes, you are learning every day. You understand? So I've met amazing people on those streets that helped me to build my channel. I've been doing a free master class that was sponsored by a lady. That was the first master class that I ever attended. I was sponsored by Dana Kweme. Somebody sponsored so many of us, and I was among them that day. And I joined a master class. We were just looking at ourselves. Although network messed me up that day because it was in Abakaliki, so my network was not that good because of the kind of phone I was using that period, guys. But everything, and my video was used as a case study because but a lot, I learned a lot, and it really helped my channel, guys. It really helped my channel. Fast forward to after many years, and I got my first paycheck as a YouTuber, and I was so happy. The first time I touched dollar. Do you know that I started YouTube? I don't have a dollar account. When I started YouTube, I was just going because I don't like to use a dollar account. So it was not giving me a headache because my money never even reached for me to collect the money. You understand? My money was still building. That was just it. Before they just said you have to get a dollar account because it will help you a lot. Because if they pay you in naira, because I'm in Nigeria, if they pay you in naira, it's going to come down. So get a dollar account so that your money will not be reduced. So that you don't look like you're just here wasting your time. Guys, I need to get a dollar account. By the grace of God, the subscriber here, my wonderful mommy, gifted me, and that was how I was able to buy a dollar and open my dollar account in the bank. Before I was paid my money, guys, I'm so happy. The money might not be much, but at least I touched a dollar. Being a YouTuber has helped me to be able to know what is to see dollar, guys. It has not. Is it the help? Is it the money? Is it the I don't. I would have been paid only once on the street of YT, but before the payment came, guys, a lot of blessings has been coming, being on those streets of YT. So if anybody is telling you, please don't join YouTube, don't show your life out there, my dear, forget about it. They will not understand. YouTube has been a source of income to many family, has helped, has helped me a lot, made me to meet amazing people on the streets of YT. So why can't I come here to come and give my testimonies? This is my testimony. Yes, so YouTube dropped a message that I should come and share this testimony. So I am here to share my testimony. So if you are inspired by this testimony, why not go to your platform and do the same? Yes, if you are not grateful, I am grateful. I know what the street has done for me. I know what this YouTube has really done for my family. Is it the time that they drove us out in Abakaliki? From this YouTube, God helped us, and we are here in Bayelsa, and God has making name for himself. A lot of experiences. The money might not be coming, but the help, the love that I've received on those streets, guys, even the phone that I'm using to film this video right now was gifted to me by my lovely mommy. From a subscriber. Yes. Or is it the machine that I'm using to sew my wig was gifted to me by my subscriber? What do I want to say? A lot of things, a lot of blessings. A lot of blessings from the street that the church is standing today was from this YT. A subscriber helped us. The one that is in America, the one that's in Canada, and many of them. I don't want to start calling names. God has really helped us on the streets. So I'm urging you here right now. Today I have 3,000 subscribers. Forget about the view. That view is not flowing, no problem. But at least the genuine people that are watching me, I'm okay. I am so okay. Okay? The milestone that we have put out here, God has been helping me. And you know that in the street again, I have been demonetized like twice, maybe 3 times. Yes, so for violating the rules. But God has been helping us. We are monetizing back, Yes, so I've not given up because the passion is there. Sometimes we are not on the street because of the money, but they say money is involved. Yeah, money should be involved, okay? The passion is there already. If the passion is there, no matter what, you will never give up. Except you don't have the passion. Except you are just here because Mr. A is here. But if you have the passion, my dear, you will not give up. No matter the challenges that you face. We have faced a lot of challenges in the street. I have faced a lot of challenges on the street. Even the people that want to be seeing my life, that hated us so much, they are watching me on the street. Yeah, so but I don't care. Because I love what I do. I have the passion for it. I love what I do. So having the passion is very important. If you don't have the passion, you cannot be here. So I have the passion. That was why when I was demonetized how many times, I still came back. I still want to be on the streets because this is what I love doing. This is where God is blessing me from. This is where God is giving me what I want. So why will I leave it? Okay? Why will I leave this place? If I leave, and you know the funny thing then, if I didn't post video for some time, my wonderful subscriber will be like, Joy, where have you been? Obi's World, where have you been? Because my name is Joy, guys. I changed my name from Obi's World, so okay? So if you are watching me and you know Joy Channel TV, this is Joy Channel TV, but it's now Obi's World. Please come back. Most of my lovely subscribers, come back. APM promotion, come back, all of you. This is me. Because when I changed my name, it really affected me, okay, as a small YouTuber. But thank God, I've gained a lot of subscribers that, they love me genuinely. That's the most important thing. Having people that love you with all their heart, they don't even look at your lapses, and you don't know what you're doing, they are still watching you. Guys, if I don't post video for like 1 month, 1 month is too much, I beg. 2 weeks, guys, I'll be like, they'll be like, sister, where have you been? If I post a video, like, where have you been? What's wrong with you? What happened to you? Guys, a lot. So I don't have a choice than to be posting videos. Or is it when I lost my dad, the love, the massive joy, whenever I come on live like this? Oh, guys, you guys have really showed me love. And I'm so super grateful. I am super grateful. If I'm not grateful, who am I? Who am I not to be grateful? Yes, I was on live here one time like that. Somebody gifted me and I saw the alert, guy, just like that, on live, on live, just like that. So please, if you're on the street of Whitey and you feel like you are discouraged, the money is not coming, you're not getting what you want, please, I am here to encourage you. Don't be discouraged. Keep on pushing, okay? Keep on doing it. Keep on posting the videos. I have seen a lot of YouTubers grow on this page. Is it Tonya Vlog? I have seen a lot of people grow on this page. So don't be discouraged. Keep on doing the you. Keep on doing that thing that you love. My dear, one day you go pay. You go pay. I don't have the money yet, too, but I believe. And I still love what I'm doing. That I'm impacting on people's life. I'm touching people with my vlogs, you know, with my African vlogs, you know. We go to the market, we buy a lot of things. There are people that are living outside the country, you know, they don't know what is happening in Nigeria. We go video and we go show now, how now they watch am. And it is sweet too now, Most of it they'll be like, do go to the market, go and vlog. Let us know what is happening. Let us know the price of things. It is from yet our video now they watch. That you guys are knowing the price of things right now in the market. Do you know that the cost of crayfish right now? The last time I think it was last week, it was about 12,000 naira. Now it should be like 15,000 naira. Things are increasing every day. The price of things today is not the price of things tomorrow. So we are here for you. I am here for you, please. Yes, so, and if you just see my channel today, now today you see me, I beg, subscribe. I'm a lovely soul. You will love me. You don't have any choice but to love me. Yes, subscribe to my channel, okay? Drop your lovely comment. Let me see you and let me welcome you the proper way. Like my video also, okay, and share it to as many of you that you want to share it. Yes, there are amazing people that are sharing my videos, guys. I will not forget you people. I beg. Thank you so much. I'm seeing the love. Hey, I'm seeing the love. Thank you so much, okay? And people that are dropping their lovely comment, thank you so much. People that are liking my video. So guys, I'll be ending this video here. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to do the necessary things. See you guys later in my next video. Bye.